What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And today we've got another product from Achedaway. They wanted to send me out this cupper for testing. I gotta be straight off the bat with you guys, I'm very skeptical about cupping. I've heard mixed things about it. So I'm going to try to do a little bit of research before I make any judgments about this product. And I want to use it a few times on myself. We're going to do an unboxing for it. We're going to talk a little bit about it, but I am not a professional and I'm not giving you advice on whether you should use cupping or not. I'm just simply testing the product for what it is, and I'm going to tell you, do your research before you decide to use something like this, as it can potentially damage your skin. It's supposed to detoxify things from out of your skin. It's supposed to bring toxins to the surface. It's supposed to improve your circulation and a bunch of other stuff. This cupper actually has a massager. It's electronic and it has red light therapy. Let's get into this video, guys. We're going to do a quick unboxing and then we're going to do a product demonstration. Alright guys, let's go. This is going to be the middle. Okay, and this is going to slide right off like so. We're going to do that. Okay, and we've got some nice inscription, Achedaway Cupper. This is just gonna come off like so. Okay, inside we have a user manual, nice detailed manual. And we have the cupper itself with the medium sucker on there. And we've got these guys right here. We have a little piece of plastic right here. You know we like to peel that off here. And you can just unscrew it there. Okay, really interesting, guys. So yeah, it just screws right on. Oh yes, this is a replaceable piece that goes inside the cups here. Obviously you won't need those yet, but after a while you might need to replace these. Ow, ow, ow. Alright. Ow, 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 ow. That's what it looks like after you're done there. This is my lovely assistant Carolyn, and I'm going to test out the cupper on her. We're going to get her reaction. It's going to hurt a little bit. So,
no.
So yep, you want to relax, power it on, and we're going to place it right
Ah! I'm scared.
Okay, it is sucking up the skin. And as you can see, you can just leave it right there.
It feels really weird.
Yeah.
It feels like a zombie biting me. But not biting all the way, just like nibbling.
It's been on for a few minutes, guys, so what we're going to do is actually turn the power off now. And what you need to do is stick your finger under the skin, and it will come unstuck right there. And you can see it's a little bit red. Keep in mind that once you set it, you can kind of forget it and leave it for about 10 minutes, or 12 minutes is the normal cycle here. And there was not so much damage to her skin as there was to mine. How's that one feel?
I actually like it on this side better. I think probably I have more pain on this side, but it feels good. Or the placement or something, it feels really good with it.
Okay guys, she likes this one. So I think this is a pretty cool product, guys. I'll have to test it a little bit more. I noticed it did relieve a little bit of tension in my shoulder, but now my shoulder skin kind of hurts, and I think I got a little bit scared. I got it on my back right there, and it hurts a little bit, to be honest. Can rotate the muscles there. I know my muscles are really sore over there, and ooh, it's painful. But at the same time it feels pretty good, and it really kind of tenses up those muscles around your back and everything. And ow, oof. It hurts. I got a little bit scared when I first put it on, I'm not gonna lie, and I took it off fairly early. And around my arm area it definitely made a big red mark, and I think that's what initially scared me a little bit. But after seeing her reaction to it and watching some videos, I think it's pretty cool. I definitely feel it massaging almost my muscles, which is really good for that tough to reach area. Okay guys, so we took a look at the Achedaway Cupper here. I'm not sure how often you can really use this, and damage to the skin to me is not something I would want to do very often. Although it's superficial damage, we'll have to check back with Carolyn. Carolyn, what did you think about it?
I loved it. I would use it again for sure.
Okay, well, seems like she liked it a lot. It definitely does relieve a lot of tension if you have it in a sore muscle group, and where I was moving it around as I was using it, it definitely stretched out the muscles and feels pretty good. But Achedaway actually sent this out to me just because I reviewed one of their massage guns before, so I thought it would be pretty cool to test this out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll leave a link for the product in the description as well, and if this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. What was he saying?
And a like.
And drop a like,
Yes.
like Carolyn said.
Oh God.
Skeptical?
Yes.
Spectacle?
Skeptical.
I'm still a little skeptical.
Skeptical.
I'm still a little skeptical. I don't know why that's proving to be so difficult. Sometimes I get hot when I'm recording a video and then I just lose all brain function. So I'm a little bit skeptical about the whole cupping thing, but I think the product is definitely pretty awesome. I like the fact that it incorporates red light and also a massage function. And it's really easy to use. Basically, you just have to hit one button, and then to pull it off, you just slide your finger under the cup there. But this is really a first look at it, and it definitely did give me a little relief, but then you do have a little bit of pain in the area where you used it as well. Carolyn really seemed to enjoy it, so she definitely likes it, and she said she would use it again, right?
Yes.
My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and until next time, I'm out.